cookies were delish.
They were delish. I think Manti likes it.
Okay. Boom. That's it.
Just like a Friday night.
Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing something very exciting. At least it's very exciting for me. And it involves one of my good friends from college and her and another friend of hers. not one that I know, but I'm sure she's great. They started a company and I'm just very excited to tell you about it. I'm excited. Anyways, if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings, which is sort of what we're doing today, and to give you curriculum and organizational ideas and also ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button and let's get into the surprise. So I'm gonna hold up this box. I'm gonna cover up my address on here because I was too lazy to cover it up with a piece of paper. But this, I just want you to see their cute little logo right here on the front of the box that came to me. So it's the Home Ec School, and I'll link all their stuff down below. They have Instagram, a Facebook page, they have the website. So I'll make sure that's all linked down below so you can go check it out. But their website is beautiful. It's very minimalistic and I love it so very much. And just a little bit of background. Ashley and I know each other from college, like I said in the intro, and we were both studying home economics, which is family and consumer science education, or as we call it, FACS Ed. So we were in a lot of classes together. We also happened to work together and we just had a lot of fun together. And she really loves sewing. That was kind of something she focused on in interior design. Like those were things she loved. And I love cooking and baking. So we always joked about opening a catering place and I would cook and she could decorate everything. So obviously that didn't happen, but that's fine. I still love her. So I just want to read this quote from their website because I feel like it kind of explains what their mission is and what they're trying to accomplish with the Home Ec School. So it says, "We believe in homemade meals around the table. We believe in growing skills and confidence. We believe in beautiful and functional spaces. We believe in developing children and families. We believe in all things home." And I just think that's really beautiful and encompasses what they're trying to do. So as you can see, here's some of the products that they have currently, and they have other things that are coming, but they just are brand new, okay? Just within the last month or two, I can't remember for sure, but all this stuff is really new. And so they'll have some sewing stuff and some more cooking stuff coming, but this is what they have. And so they just barely came out with a babysitter bag, which looks super fun. I just don't have kids that are babysitting. And then they have an interior design kit. So they have it as a bundle, or you can buy the book separately and then the designer kit if you want to do that. Or like I said, you buy it all together as a bundle. And it's more like junior high, high school age. So I would love to try that out. But again, I don't have time for that myself and my kids aren't that old yet. But I feel like it would just be so wonderful. The last kit they have up right now is the Kids Cooking Mini Kit. And that's what I'm gonna be showing you today. So I'm really, really excited. So this kit, which is here, I'm just gonna hold it up this way, is $29.95. And I did order some extra aprons so that all of my kids could have them, but I'll get to that in a minute. So it's super cute when you open it up. It's blue and it has, again, their logo, which I love. It's just very simplistic and I think it's beautiful. So we're gonna pop this open. And then has a little like thank you card with their website right here. So again, I just think their branding is very, very cute. So when you open that up, it's gonna look like this in here. Ooh, kind of a mess, sorry. I can't get the tissue paper out of the way. And like I said, I ordered a few extra aprons just because I don't want my kids to fight over them. So I'm gonna have some extra aprons in here, but the kit does come with one apron. Hi, this is future Jackie here. So my friend Ashley let me know that they wanted to give me a code for you guys to use. So it's my name, Jackie10, and after I disappear and you see past Jackie again, I'll put it up on the screen so that you can see it. And it'll be linked down below. So that'll be 10% off your total order. So that was really exciting. I just wanted to let you guys know. So look for that code. So first I'm gonna hold up all these utensils. Like, these are the cutest thing and they're such a beautiful color. I don't even know if I can get them open. Oh, they have luckily this is one of these little plastic things here. But look at how cute they are. I love them so much. Sorry, I can't even open them. I should be able to. And they feel like really good quality. They're silicone. These are just so cute. Like, really, they're just so cute. They're so little. So we have our little spatula and then a little like scooper right here. And then our little whisk, which doesn't want to come out. So our cute little whisk right here. And then another spatula. So they're just slightly different, right? This one has a sharper edge. This one's kind of the mix between the spoon and the spatula thing. So I think those are super cute. I love them. So let me show you the aprons. Again, I got 4 of them because I have 4 kids, but one of them came in this kit. So I just got one extra. So here it is, this apron. It's a little kid size one. So it's a little short, you know, for a kid, not for me, but it's just so cute and I love it. And I'm excited to have all my kids in the apron. I think it's gonna be adorable. And then the other thing that is included with the kit is this little recipe card. No, this is the recipe stand. These are the cards. So I think this is cute. And then it comes with some cards. I actually can't remember how many it comes with, but I'm excited to try out some of these recipes. I love to bake. I am not one to eat a lot of sweets. I just don't have a really big sweet tooth, but I love baking and giving stuff away. So there's some, I'm not gonna show you them all because that would defeat the purpose of buying the kit and getting recipes, but this one's chocolate chips and I believe this one's already on their website. I don't know if it's this one or a different one, but they have put one up or on Facebook. So there's this, and then they have some blank recipe cards in the back as well, which I think you can download for free on their, I don't know if it's the recipe cards. There's something that you can download for free, so it might be these on their website if you just wanted some cards. But there's a whole bunch of recipes in here. Again, I'm not gonna show them to you because I want you to go support my friends. But I am excited to try some of these, so hopefully we'll have some footage in here of us trying some of these so that you can kind of see how it goes and see my kids in their cute little aprons. But anyways, I'm just really excited for this, and they have a lot of activities going on too. So on Facebook, I know coming up, this will be after I post this. This will have already happened by the time I post this video, but they're doing some they're making little pumpkin crafts on Facebook. They're doing a Facebook Live, so they just put the list of supplies you need today for it. And then they're also making a treat for fall. You know, so they're having a lot of different interactive things and fun things that you can be doing some crafts and doing some cooking and just getting to know home ec a little bit more, because it's a very tender, like dear subject to my heart. I just feel like it's so important to be in the kitchen with your kids, to teach them homemaking skills. And just to have, even if they don't end up using it very much, but just so they have at least a basis of learning, I think is very important. And they get to spend time with you, which is even more important. So we're gonna go make some recipes and get cute with our aprons and our cute little utensils, and we will show you all how it goes. Okay, so we're in the kitchen today and we're gonna make some of these fun recipes from the home ec school. So I have our cards right here and I have some of the ingredients. For the first recipe, we're gonna start with the mini chocolate chip cookies, and I'm really excited to make these. So I am going to get my kids in their cute little aprons. Well, at least some of them. I don't know if all my kids are coming because the neighbors don't have school today. So I've lost a few of my kids already to the neighbors because he's much better than mom. They prefer playing with him. So we'll see which ones come and want to help today. Right now they're doing their laundry, so they're a little bit loud upstairs. But anyways, I'm gonna gather them up, put their aprons on. Whoa, it got stuck. Put their aprons on, and then we're going to start cooking and having fun. kids are all speaking Creole.
Boom. That's it.
Just like a Friday night.
What did you like about
The
the
cookies were delish.
They were delish.
I like.
You liked it? Is it hot? Is it hot, Liddy?
It's a little. It's hot, but it's still good.
It's still good, even though it's hot. The fourth child decided to join us. His friend had to go inside, so he's gonna try one of the muffins.
Measure. They're a little hot, but they're still yummy. Okay.
But he's not used to blueberries, so
And the
we'll see if he
blueberries
eats the
are
blueberry part. But he loves lemon.
Yeah. These are lemon blueberries.
So I couldn't find dried chives. They didn't have them at the store, but luckily HelloFresh sent me some chives yesterday. So I just cut up some fresh ones, so we'll see how that goes.
I'm gonna pour in.
You're important.
This smells good.
And this food processor was actually a gift from Ashley. Well, it was a combined gift from people at work for when I had my first baby, so I still have it.
I can have more.
Do you like it? I think Manti likes it.
I like it.
I haven't actually eaten breakfast today, so it's almost lunchtime. So this is my breakfast, but I think it's pretty healthy breakfast, so. How is it? This is real good. I love dip. I love vegetables and I love dip, so I'm excited for this dip, especially because it's made with cottage cheese, and cottage cheese has a lot of good protein in it, so yum, 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 yum.
So it's a good breakfast.
It's a good breakfast.
They're having dessert and fruit breakfast.
I haven't had dessert yet, so. Okay, we just had so much fun in the kitchen this morning doing the home ec school recipes. They were just a blast, and the aprons were so cute and the little utensils were so cute. My kids loved using them and they were the perfect size for them, and they were also, the utensils were very sturdy, which I really appreciated. So even though they were smaller than some of the ones I'm used to using, they still worked very, very well. So I just wanted to mention a few things and then go buy some of my friends' stuff, because really that's what I just want to support them. I love them. I love what they're doing. And so go check them out. All their stuff is linked below. And again, you can get 10% off your total order with the code Jackie10. So I'll put that up here on the screen and make sure it's all down below so that you can get a discount if you would like to use that. So there's 10 recipe cards. We made 3 of them this morning and I loved them all. I thought they were super great. And I feel like they're very kid friendly. There's a lot of things that don't require too much, like a big mixing bowl. We did use one for the chocolate chip cookies, but you could totally just hand mix it the whole way and be fine. And so I really like that. And I also love that they were just so cute and small. I thought it was so cute and they're perfect for little kids. Or maybe if you just want to portion size yourself and just have little sweets here and there, I feel like they would be good for that as well, as long as you have self-control. Maybe not if you don't. And then the muffins were delicious. I love citrus. Citrus is like my thing. And most of my family doesn't really like blueberries very much. They still tried the muffins and they still ate them. At least a few of them ate them. But I thought they were so good. They had this perfect balance of sweet and sour, and they weren't like too sweet or like super sour if you don't really love citrus that much. I thought they were really, really good and just, they were yummy. I enjoyed it. And then the dip that we made veggies and dip. Well, we didn't make veggies. It's not like I just poofed them here out of the garden, but I bought veggies and we made the dip and it was really, really good. And I love that she used cottage cheese because cottage cheese has a good amount of protein in it. And so, and it, you know, healthier than like sour creams and stuff like that. And so if you want to make a dip that's a little bit healthier and has some protein for your kids, I feel like that's a good option. And it had really good flavor. My 5-year-old was just gonna like inhale it. He like wouldn't stop eating it. So that's good. If your kids need some sort of dip to eat vegetables, I think that's a fun thing. And it was really easy for them. They like the food processor. They love that thing. And so they were able to put it in there. And the food processor, I mentioned this in our cooking portion of this video, but if you didn't hear it, the food processor is partially from my friend Ashley, who is part owner of this company. Back when I was having my first baby, her and my other coworker, they all kind of went in with the whole office and got me a baby shower present. And that was it, and I still have it. So thank you, Ashley, for a wonderful gift that I have used a lot. So I loved all of this stuff. I loved everything that the Home Ec School stands for. I think it's just so wonderful and so great, and I'm really looking forward to their other products that are coming up. And hopefully there'll be something else that I can review. There's tons of things that I could review. They're just not as age appropriate for my kids, so I feel like I might not be able to give you as good of a review as someone that might have kids that could actually use it. But I'm still excited to see all their products. And they had a Facebook Live yesterday that it won't be yesterday when you watch this, but it was yesterday for me. And I just loved it. I thought it was so fun. They made a recipe, they made a craft, and so I just really love everything that they're about. So please check them out, use the code to get a discount, and all the information again will be linked down below. And if you like these kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.